Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Illustrates. So in today's video we are creating 3D character using one of the AI powerful tools from Leonardo AI. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. So when you come to Leonardo, they have types of AI models. We have Leonardo Diffusion XL, Leonardo Fusion XL, Leonardo Photoreal, 3D animation style, anime, pastel, dream, and etc. So what we are coming to concentrate on is the 3D animation style. So let's click on 3D animation style. So as you can see, the moment I click on 3D animation style, you can see previous works from other people. These are the previous work from other people. So what I need to do is to click on generate with this model, and then when I click on it, it will open the workspace. In the AI image generation, here is where you will type your prompts. Here you can change the featured model to any of the models that you like, and here you can set your Leonardo style and etc. After that, when you come to this, the number of images, it means the number of images you want the AI software to generate. So as you can see, here I set 2, here I set 4, here too I set 4, and here too I set 2. So this is what I normally do using the Leonardo AI software. Okay, so when you comes to down part, we have Photoreal, magic, prompt magic, public image dimension. Some of them, they want it in the form of a portrait form or a landscape form. You can set it, or and the best thing in Leonardo is you can upload your own image to the website so that you can generate something about yourself. So I have a couple of tests. Let me paste it here. So I have a picture of a happily family consisting of a mother, a father, and 2 dogs in a cartoon style, and I'll set the number of images to 2. So let's see what the AI software generates for us. Okay, so when you click on generate, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's loading right here. So let's wait for some time. Oh my goodness. So as you can see, this is the first image that we had. Even though this is very nice, but I'll go for this. I'll go for the second image, which is this nice one right here. So as you can see, we have a perfect image right here. So this is the father, I can see this is the mother, and this is their elder sister, their middle bro, and their little brother. And the most interesting thing is the little puppies right over here. So that is it. I'll go for this image. What I have to do right now is to right click on the image and save it as a JPEG image and click on save. So as you can see, it has gone straight to my download, and then when I click on the downloads and click on this image, I'll see it right here nicely. I really love this image. So let's try a couple of things and see.